Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas again, guys. We came back in another video. So, as you see, guys, here, what the Bitcoin given us here, and also we tell it to you before. Let's zoom it a little bit for us to explain to you what it's giving you there. Also, we tell you all those things here. We tell you the Bitcoin is give you here an inside bar, as you see it, guys, or you can name it a pregnant woman, because those candles here, those red ones who came today, they are inside the range of that green candle. So there is nothing confirmed yet, guys. It might tomorrow the market to go up, or it might tomorrow the market to come down. And what is it tomorrow, guys? Tomorrow is Friday, guys. So guys, it's the day of truth. It's the day when the unemployment rate of USA going to come. We're going to say if the Fed reached to its target or no. You need to make a close eye at tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, you're going to see very mad volume happening tomorrow, guys. So you need to be worried about that. Everything is too clear here, and us here, we're still in a downtrend, guys. That's what me have been telling you. That the difference between us and other guys. Us, we tell you, you are in a downtrend here. Level you got is here. As you see it, it came to it. It show here a rejection. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. You start from here, you start from here, you start from here, and here. All those times it happened a rejection, and here it happened a rejection again. So now either to come down to break for us that one, guys, I mean it will go down more, and the volume here it's showing a big power, or it will come and breaking for us higher here, the inside bar here. At minute will go higher more, guys, and also we will come off from the downtrend and all that level here. It's been an accumulation level, guys, and it's been the phase 3 of the Bitcoin, and also we started the uptrend again, guys. So you need to make a close eye at tomorrow, guys, what is going to tell you, and I'm going to come to update you, guys. So by the way, you watching us, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about the Bitcoin market, what it's doing right now, guys. Also, we give you fundamental analysis, we give you technical analysis. So like that, you're going to be very well updated from professional people, that the job of them, not from people they just bring in pictures from Google and they put it for you and they earn views from you. Everything is too clear, guys? Let me show you my chart, what I got me, for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, guys, what I got. Look at it. What you see in here. That one here, that white one, is the long-term trend. And when we break it here, we couldn't even go back above it. Yes, we tried to go back, but we couldn't. And here we got that level me I show you. It came to it. It show a rejection. And here, that yellow one, that one, by the way, that one, is a down channel, guys. When it touch it here, it fall down. And now it touch it, guys. And here it's showing a red. It might from here to go back up, and that's what us we hope, guys, but fundamentally it doesn't look like that. So let's wait in tomorrow what is going to say, guys, and let me show you the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys, helping us by just smashing the like button, writing for us down a comment. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. And for us, it means a lot, my friend. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see the news which is coming tomorrow, guys. The news which is coming tomorrow, guys, as you see it, is it here? As you see it, the news which is coming tomorrow, guys, is it here? And that's what me I told you, guys. You see here, unemployment rate, and it's going to come that non-farm payroll. That one, if you being a trader, you know what it meant. That one, it's making madness about the market. But that one is the goal, guys, as you see it. What else we told you before? Look at it here. Me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. What it's saying here, guys. Look, the previous one, it used to be 3.7. And I told you those ones here, they making the forecast for them 3.7. But the Fed, what it's saying? It said they want the target to be 4.5. 5.4 guys. At man, if it doesn't come 4 or something like that, the Fed it will still tightening guys. And today I tell you what happened in the UN, the war on them and all those things, but all the members of the Federal Reserve of USA, they said them they are not going to stop increasing rate and tightening till the inflation of USA is going to stop. And I told you today the MFI they came and they told them they warned them about a global recession. And the European market today it fell down guys because the OPEC they said they are not going to bust and they are going to lower the supply of them. And you know what me I've been telling you all along guys, I tell you the winter is coming and the European Union is going to enter in very big crisis of the energy, and that's what us we're seeing guys. So us we still just in the door of that guys. We haven't even started. So you need to make a close eye at those things me I'm telling you guys here. And another thing here guys, our friend those days we've been watching it a lot, that one. What we said about that one guys. Here, look with us about the table guys. What else we said about it? Where is the US dollar now? It's above 112 guys. You see it or no? Where is the VIX? It's above 30 guys. Look at the US stocks. People they been with us. What else we told you in Monday guys? In Monday all those ones here, all the US stocks they being green. And also we told you all that it just a trap guys. Look what happened here. All of them they become red at the end of the week. And all of them they lose more than what it happened in Monday guys. It's very simple. Just someone which is doesn't got a brain, he going to invest in now guys. Me I tell it to you, the VIX when is it high then 20, don't invest in stock market guys. When the VIX is high then 20, don't invest in any stock guys. And even now the crypto is very correlated to the Nasdaq guys. Look at it. What the Nasdaq is telling you here, not the Nasdaq guys. What the Nasdaq is telling you here, how many points he lose? Minus 70 point guys, 75 point guys. And the Bitcoin is very correlated to the Nasdaq guys. Should you buy now? No, of course no. It's still very early guys. Now it's going back to show you our indicators guys, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator guys, what it's saying here, as you see it, it came here, it touched that wall here. By the way, that white one for the people they are new. That one also being followed from 2021 guys. He came, he touched it here. He show now a rejection as you see it. What should we do here in daily guys? If you know, write it for us down in a comment my friend. And please smash the like button with you helping us guys. Also here we are in the middle guys. There is no buying, no selling. At this time there is no buying, no selling my friend. Because here as us we said it, in that level here, we got it here with purple. We said at that level, the buyers and sellers they are equal. No one of them is winning guys. No one of them is winning here. When we being down here, the bears they are controlling. When we being up here, the bulls they are controlling. Here where we are, there is no one controlling guys. Both of them they are equal and there is a lot of scarcity now and the volume it's very low guys. People will know what they're doing. They are waiting what's going to come the news today guys. Everything is too clear guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator guys, as you see it, if you remember as we said, we got here a divergence here in that place and we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone guys, and our indicator is at the oversold area. Should we buy? No my friend. As we tell you that. We tell you that before. What did we tell you? Do it like that? What we also told you guys before. Look here in that place here where it entered at the oversold area here at 30k guys. Where it went out from it till 17k guys. How much money you lose from here to here? A lot of money guys. That one is just an oscillator guys. It's based on RSI. As we said 3 conditions guys. We said a level, supply and demand zone level or whatever. That one to be at the oversold area. And the third thing and the most important thing guys, what we said, the price action. Price action it hasn't broke guys. When it's going to break, we will enter long guys. The level we will looking at is here. Everything is too clear guys. So let's go now to see what the Bitcoin doing right now guys in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are guys in the 4 hours and here in the 4 hours at 2 videos, the past videos, us we being just here. Then it came, it gave us here a nice pin bar in the 200 moving average, guys. Then he went up till here. Then he go back again till here, guys. As you see it, what it giving us here, look at it, very clear double top, guys, or a M. Did it break in the lower of it? No, guys. The lower is the 200 moving average. Should you enter now short? Not yet, guys. Yes, you are in a very stronger level, guys, or very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it, guys, here and here, but it hasn't break for you here. So when it doesn't break the 200 moving average, there is no selling, guys. It might from here in that level where it is the market to go back up till here and to give you a triple top, guys, like that. So now what is it, the view, guys, here for the 4 hours? Now here either to come to break for us up here like that and the market will continue upward, or to come like that to make a correction like that, then it will break it down, guys, till the market will fall down till here. Because now if you see, guys, what the market tried to give you here, and we show you those things before, it tried to give you here a flag. As you see it, guys, very clear flag here. Yes or no? You just need to come and to close it like that, guys. It's a very clear flag. What that mean, guys? It mean here, the market in that level where we are here, the market is resting, guys. And that's what our indicator is telling you. Both of them, they are equal, buyers and sellers. Market in that level here, it's resting, guys. So now it's coming a big move, guys. Either it's going to go up or it's going to go down. How we going to know which side is going to go, guys? I'll show you all those things. You got here a double top like that. If it came down and breaking for you the 200 moving average, it will fall down, guys. And here you got a flag, guys, here like that. If it came upward and breaking upward here, that means it will go in higher, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what is it saying? If you remember the last video, what did I told you here and here? I told you, look at it, low, high. Now what it give you, guys? Another low here in our indicator, not in the chart. Here that the low, here that the high. Now it give you here another low. Now either to go up to give you another high like that, then it will fall down to give you another low, or from here it will touch here that wall, guys, and from here it will go higher, or without to touch it, because look at it here, guys, where you are in a very stronger level, guys. You see it here in that place, what it's showing, and now you are in it. Might from here to go upward again, guys, till the overbought area. Now should you buy, should not? No, my friend, it's still very early for you to buy. It's need that one here in our indicator to come and to break for you that one here. Everything is too clear here, guys. It's our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, my friend, and write a comment helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, also here we are at the overbought area, guys. That's what I told you before. And here, the market here, it give you here a price action at double top. Should you enter short, guys? If it's breaking here. If it's not, look what we got here. Let's connect in those dots, guys. Those ones and those ones. It's connected together like that. What you seeing, guys? You got here a very clear triangle, guys. If it came like that and breaking here, you enter long, guys. Take profit where it is. Is it here? That last peak here, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. You get it, guys? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes, the last video what I told you, you got here a head and shoulder, guys. It's breaking here. Look at it. It came here, it touching the 200 moving average, guys. Yes or no? And what the market give you here? Look at it here. What the market give you? It give you here a down channel, guys. Yes or no? Like that. The indicator of us where it is. Is it at the oversold area, guys? Now, if it's breaking that channel here, you enter long, guys. Take profit where it need to be. Here. At the last high, guys. Here. Or when our indicator reach here to the overbought area, guys. It might that one just to come here, then after that to drop, guys. Everything is too clear. And I'm going to update you guys tomorrow after New York opening. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when also we put in a new video, guys, you're going to be notified. So like that, you will not miss any video of us. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So guys, that's it for today's video, guys. See you after New York opening, guys. Bye for now.